coming in this hour. NCP's Praful Patel has also reacted. Praful Patel has spoken about the CM face, stating the decision regarding this will be made in a meeting of all three parties.
अजीत पवार साहब को ये अधिकार आज राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी के नवनिर्वाचित विधायकों की बैठक हुई। हमने उनका स्वागत किया, सम्मान किया, सत्कार किया और साथ-साथ में हमने हमारे पार्लियामेंट्री लेजिस्लेटिव पार्टी जो एनसीपी की है उसके नेता के पद पर अजीत पवार साहब का वहां पर चयन किया। सभी ने स्वागत किया इस बात का और साथ-साथ में अजीत पवार साहब को ये अधिकार दिया कि आगे की जो भी बातचीत है उसमें आप पार्टी के हिसाब से योग्य निर्णय लीजिए। सरकार में शामिल होने का भी निर्णय आपको अधिकार दिया गया है और बाकी की जो भी बातचीत होती है, नेचुरली हम लोगों का एक अलायंस है, तो अलायंस में तीनों पार्टियों के बीच में जो चर्चा होगी उसमें जो भी अधिकार उनको दिया गया है उस हिसाब से वो निर्णय योग्य। मुख्यमंत्री की शपथ ये कार्यक्रम अभी मुझे कोई ठोस कार्यक्रम मालूम नहीं है, क्योंकि इस बारे में तीनों पार्टी उसको बैठ के बात करना होगा। मुझे लगता है कि इलेक्शन कमीशन का जो नई असेंबली के फॉर्मेशन का जो नोटिफिकेशन होगा कि ये एमएलए चुनकर आए हैं, उसके बाद उसका जो नोटिफिकेशन निकलेगा उसके बाद ही ये प्रक्रिया जो सरकार बनाने की है वो शुरू।
In fact, Anand Singh continues to be with us. Anand, not aware of the date for the oath taking. The new CM will be decided between all three parties together, says Praful Patel in an official reaction.
Yeah, Uday, look, this is the first official reaction from NCP-AP in regard to the CM face, as he clearly mentioned that how the three parties leaders will need to sit together and they have to decide on the chief ministerial face, and he didn't even mention about the date on which the swearing in ceremony will take place in Maharashtra, as the tenure of this government ends on November 26, and it was the reason why the election commission decided to hold elections on November 20th and counting of votes on 23rd, so that there was ample time for the formation of new government. So now it needs to be seen that when the leaders of these three parties sit together once again, because it was yesterday after the counting of votes took place, even then when the counting was going on, and the trend clearly showed that the Mahayuti was clearly going for a massive mandate in the state. All the three leaders, including the CM and the two deputy CM, came together and addressed a press conference, and even at that time they mentioned and maintained that the three leaders of the three parties leader will need to sit together, and then only the formula for the next CM or the formula for the next CM phase will be decided, and only then a date for this oath swearing ceremony will be taken up. Even when we asked the chief minister yesterday that when they are going to stake claim to form the government with the governor, he remained mum on that issue, and he said that we will soon announce that thing. So clearly now today Praful Patel mentioning this part, so it makes things clear that the meeting of the three parties leaders will happen in the either in the night or by tomorrow afternoon, as they have already met with their newly elected MLAs. However, Eknath Shinde is yet to meet his newly elected MLAs, and he is scheduled to meet them later in the day. So after the meeting of all these leaders with their newly elected MLAs,